Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how I styled out the cane chair from last week in our entryway. I decided to place the cane chair in our entryway because our entryway is super barren in order to complement the cane chair and to block off this section of the house. I went with an accent wall. Accent walls are always good to add shape to a room. Next up was decorative items to complete the space. The first item I chose was a vintage ceiling tile. The layers of this piece help add a nice texture to this blank wall while complementing the pattern of the cane chair. My second item is a marble base side table with a brass top that I purchased from Cb2. This table is perfect for this space because it's not overpowering. The black chair and the vintage tile needed an interesting piece, but not so interesting that it takes over the space completely. Lastly, my third item is a terracotta candle holder, which I am using as a vase from a French company called Smallables. Since I had so many beautiful neutrals, I wanted to bring in a pop of color to round out the space. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for joining me. And per usual, hop in the comments below. Any requests, love to hear from you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week.